Hey everyone, Gil here at Camp Patton Family Compound. Oh, getting the heat tape installed on the house today, and as they're busy doing it. I was getting other things done, and I forgot to ask them if I could start recording it. So I got a camera going in the back right now, but they've already hooked up the one gutter here, and it's going up down there. That takes care of this one, and down here on the other one, they got it already hooked up. And so it's set up here for this here right here. So one of the things they said to do, I was talking with about it, and they said, if it's not snowing or anything, go ahead and unplug it. And so right now they're just letting it test it and make sure it all heats properly. And so I'm going to set this up over here so you guys can watch them from this angle over here.